Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the week of March 3rd through the 9th. So last week I used this kit, and it is currently Friday because I do work all weekend this weekend, so I'm going to go ahead and get it up and out of the way. But we had a pretty full week. This week I'm using a kit from Black Dog Sticker Co. Again, I've not used her weekly kits, but I did use her monthly spread, and it turned out pretty cute. So I do have these dash labels that I ordered. The sampler, this is kit 195, and then I did order the full boxes, and like I said, I ordered the monthly. So I do have a few extra labels here that I could use, a couple scripts from the monthly, and then I did pull a weekly tracker from my stash, so I will be using that as well. All right, let's go ahead and get this started. So her kits don't have any thick washi that come on these two sheets, so we're just gonna go ahead and let's use this one. So this is pretty thin, and I'm just going to use it on the bottom line here, so it's not going to take up as much as it usually does, but that's okay. So there, and then we'll go ahead and do the other side. Here as well. Get in the spirit of St. Patrick's Day here. I do have a couple more kits from her, and they're really cute. So I am excited to use that, but I figured since this is a full week, we'll go ahead and make it match the monthly. Okay, now for the date dots, these ones are a little thicker, it feels like. So we will put this on the top where the actual dates are. Cover that up. And then I have some date headers that I found in my stash that we can use. I believe they're from Simply Smith Stickers. I just went with the brown color because there's a lot of brown in this kit as well. So we're just going to stick that on the top there. And then I found these, they're kind of greenish blue dates, but they'll work. Not too picky here. So let's get this other side down. There we go. And then we'll put the other dates in. Like so. I hope you guys are having a good weekend if you're watching this, or it'll probably go up Monday. So I hope you had a good weekend. How about that? Next couple weeks is going to be pretty busy. My oldest son starts volleyball next week on the 10th. So that'll be a whole nother thing to add to the schedule. Okay, for the sidebar over here, I'm going to use this one. Let's see how it fits here. Okay, so we can't go all the way to the line. Oh shoot, which line was that? Here. So about halfway through this line. Perfect. A little crooked, but that's fine. And then on the sidebar, we're going to do a to-do list. Right in the middle. I do need a script. She does have a to-do script on here. And then I feel like I saw little dots. Oh, she's got big dots here. That's fine. I don't have much to do. It's my, the week that I don't work as much, so I'll just be cleaning and stuff like that. So we'll just put 3. And then for my steps, I'm going to use that habit tracker down here. Don't know if that's going to cover everything, but yep, it works. And then I'm just going to take one of these labels and label it as steps. Uh-oh. And then I didn't do much reading this week, so I'm still reading the same book, that Housemaid Secrets. I did read a couple chapters, but not much. I'll put this right there. That way if I need to add a couple more to-dos, I can. All right, let's go ahead and start our week out. So on Monday, my husband will work. No, I will work. It's my long weekend. I work Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I will put me down and him. And then where did I put the other ones? And him. So I'll have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday off. So that's my favorite week. So I have one hard week and one not so hard week. So on Monday we have gymnastics, which is 4 to 7. And then we have, I think that's it. We just have gymnastics and private pay. So for my home health guide this week, I'm using these little flags from the monthly because they're left over. So I'll go ahead and just put that down here. And then I'll put this on the 4. Actually, I'll put it up by the 6 because I'll go right after work. There. And then Tuesday, my husband works. We don't have anything to do, but I will need to go here. And then Wednesday, we have dance and gymnastics. So dance here, or gymnastics here. And then I have dance from 5 to 6:30. So we'll put that up here. And then I will have to go see him right afterwards. Okay. And then Thursday, we're both off. So I have this day off here. Oh, I didn't even get any school scripts. Might have to pull those out. We're both off, and then Friday I work, and then Saturday, I need one more of these. I'm not a very good pre-planner, but I feel like it kind of takes a long time to pull stickers and pull scripts, so I thought maybe this would be a little easier. I don't know why this isn't coming off. Probably just gonna rip it. So we have this, and then I will need one more script for him. I believe those are just right over here. Maybe, maybe not. Come on. There they are. There. Okay, so there's our work schedule. Thursday, like I said, we're both off, and I don't have anything to do until I go to my home health guy, and that's about 6:30. Friday, I go to work, and then my son actually has a football camp from 6 to 7:30. Okay, I don't know if these are just not cut well, or if I'm just ripping them off too fast. Okay, so this starts 6 to 7:30, so my husband will probably take him, so I can just go right to my home health guy. Go ahead and put this down underneath. And then Saturday, he has the same camp, but it's in the morning from 10 to 11. And then I have dance from 9 to 10. I might make it 9:45 since I have to get him there because my husband will be working. And then I'll go home health. there. And then Sunday, I'll have dance from 1 to 2. And then go to my home health guy whenever my husband gets home. Okay, I think that's it for that. Now, let's see. I did pull a few more. Let's get in frame here. Brittany, we have a weekend script. So I'm actually going to put this up here, I think, because we're not going to do anything in the morning. Or do I want to put it down here? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so her stickers are removable. That's good. I'm just going to stick it up here. I like that better. I like it down there better. Okay, so we have trash day. We still good. Trash day. Put it right at 8. Let me put it at 7. Because I want to put school down, but I don't know if I'll have enough labels. And then payday is Friday. Should have looked at that better because I don't really want browns together. Let's see if we have any more. They're all brown. Oh, except for here. Hang on. Let me switch this script around. Oh, she does have little stars or little asterisks on there. I don't know if I want to put Mardi Gras on there. We don't really do anything. We had a staff meeting yesterday and it was Mardi Gras themed. Alright, let's put that there. And then I will have to go get groceries. I'll probably go Saturday. I'm gonna put it up here after all that stuff. And then I do have my workouts. So I've been wanting to go in the mornings on my day off, but my son likes to go with me now. So I go when I get done with work, when I get done with my home health guy. So let me put, oh my goodness, let me put this down here. So that actually worked out perfectly that I didn't have thick washi. Oop. Because then I can fill that space with these. It's not working with me working out on the days I work. I am exhausted by then, so that is a no-go. Okay, do I have enough labels for school or anything to put school on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I could do this. It's a timed label, so I don't love that, but that's all right. Ooh, let's get it in the column here. And then I'll just have to fill in the script with it. Here. And one more. Let's hope for no sickness this week because my daughter has been through it. Let's see if I have any school scripts in here. Pretty sure they are. No school. AM, PM, meals. Might have to go to my big book. Alright. I'll just do that later, I guess. Or let me just see if I can find them real quick. There. I'm gonna have to order some more of these. I just can't believe the school year is already almost done. But it has been pulling teeth with my oldest because he's just not very motivated and he just thinks it's all gonna work out. And I'm like, it doesn't work like that, bud. But he assures me he's got it under control. Are we still good? Okay, let's do, so there's a lot of white ones. Don't love that. But let's do like a light green. Maybe I can put those on the days that I don't work and put like the to-do list on there. That might work out. Just gonna kind of put these all over, because if you have planned before, you know that it does get pretty thick if you put them in the same exact spots. Dang it. I don't want to rip this, and my scissors are not close by. Put this up here. And then one more. Now we'll probably go out to eat on this day since it's just us. But we shall see. And let's do another one of these. Up here, lots of green. And then this one I'll put down. Well, let's put this one up here. Maybe we can sleep in on Sunday. Oh, Saturday night I might go out to eat with my sister. So I do want to leave a little space for that since it was her birthday last week, but they're doing stuff this week. So I don't want to interrupt that. That is going to be how this week turns out. Like I said, I might put some to-do lists in there. If not, maybe I'll find like a little quote. I have a whole bunch of quote stickers, so that might work. Got my school in, got my work schedule. I can put my times in real quick. Like so. All right. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty cute. Like I said, if anything happens, I'll fill it in with the extra stickers I have. And then next week, we're going to start volleyball, and then softball's going to be starting soon. I have to sign my son up. I think that's this week for soccer. Oh, and I need to schedule my dog to get spayed. She just reached the like the weight limit for it. She just turned a year old, and now she is just now heavy enough to be able to do it. So I want to get that done so we don't have any more babies around this town, because she's gotten out only a couple times. When my son is taking out the trash, he'll run down the alley or whatever, but we don't need any more puppies. I have enough on my plate already. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great week. Enjoyed this spread. Again, it's from Black Dog Sticker Co. She is on Etsy. She has really good prices for her stickers, I think. She does have a lot more options, but I just kind of picked what I thought I would use, and it worked out perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.